Hello guys, it's Tech Info and I welcome you to my channel. Today I will show you how to jailbreak and install Cydia on your iPhone running iOS 12 without computer. Before we start, make sure to press the like button and subscribe. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any future videos from us. First of all, let me show you what iOS version is installed on my iPhone. Open Settings, select General, click About, and here you can see I have an iPhone 6 running iOS 12.1.2. Let's start the jailbreak process. Go back to the setting and select Safari. Scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Click the Home button to go back, open Safari and go to this website. You can also click the link given in the description and you will come to this page. Click I accept, wait for a few seconds and you will see this ad pop-up. Close it from the X icon, click I accept, select apps, navigate to the tweaked apps section and look for Uncover Jailbreak. Here it is. If you have an old iPhone like I have, make sure that it is version 3.4.0. Click Install, wait for a few seconds and select Install from this pop-up. Press the Home button to go back. You will see the Uncover app is installing. Once installed, if you try to open it, you will see this error message. Click Cancel, open Settings, navigate to the General Settings, select Profiles and Device Management, open the profile which has Uncover Jailbreak in it, press Trust, Trust again. Now you can open the Uncover Jailbreak app. But before that, you will need to make sure that there is no iOS update downloaded in your iPhone. Go back to the General Settings and select iPhone Storage. Here you can see I have an iOS update downloaded. I will need to delete it before proceeding. Once done, go back to the home screen. Open the control center and enable airplane mode. Open the Uncover Jailbreak app. Press the jailbreak button. It will show you an error message and restart your iPhone. Don't worry about it. This means it is working. Basically, it needs at least 3 attempts to complete the jailbreak. Let me do it again. Once done, it will show you this message. After this, it will respring your iPhone. Here it is. You can see the Cydia store is working on my iPhone. Now you can install Cydia tweaks and apps without worrying about it being revoked by Apple. That's it for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, make sure to press the like button and subscribe. Have a great day.